Okay, one of the rules that we've looked at is if you have, say, log base 10 of 10 to the fourth, the answer is just whatever the exponent is, right? So if you have log base b of b to the 2, your answer is just 2. Similarly, if you have a base like this, and then you have log, as long as the base of the logarithm is the same as this base, and say you're taking log base 8 of 4, then your answer is just 4. So it's whatever that exponent is. So if you have 2 to the log base 2 of 4, then your answer is 4. Let me check that with a calculator. Okay, let's throw in a browser graphing calculator. Okay, so 2 to the functions log base 2 go over of 4, or say 9, whatever. So as long as the 2's match, as long as this and this match, the answer to the whole thing is just that.